Oh yeah, that's a unique car, isn't it? So we're in the car right now. We are on our way to our hospital tour, and I went ahead and scheduled that today because when it's time to deliver the baby, and we are on the way now, so it's gonna be 1 hour. I thought I will take you along for a day in my life, so let's go.
We're wanting the strawberry smoothie with the yogurt.
So just the strawberry one, not the strawberry banana?
Yeah, strawberry smoothie with Greek yogurt, yeah.
And then
Anything else for you?
chipotle chicken avocado.
Chipotle chicken avocado milk?
The whole?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. That's all.
Okay. Do you have a phone number with Panera?
No.
Here, I'll get to pull up for me.
Thank you.
We're getting Panera for me. But I wanted to have a Starbucks, and I guess it's a no. Trying to not have caffeine, try to be healthy, so I just got smoothie instead. It's been a really bad weather here lately, and now it's cloudy and sunny. Supposed to not rain today, hopefully. And I'm gonna have my smoothie strawberry with the Greek yogurt because I don't usually like Greek yogurt, but you know, for the baby I eat it anyway. But we're gonna go drive while I eat. We are here now. We are waiting for our schedule for the tour. We're at the lobby, and they actually have a gift shop here. It's not open though. I guess it only open Monday to Friday. And it's the hospital. We're waiting for the 1 hour tour.
Soon after.
We finished the tour and it was really amazing. My husband got a little bit emotional because talking and preparing about the baby and being in the delivery room and talking about it. Yeah, it's a lot to take in, but we're so excited and it goes really smooth and well with the tour, and I can't wait to actually check in here and deliver the baby. Hey guys, we are here now at downtown. We are gonna go get some food for lunch, and then we will have to go to my mother-in-law's house. Let's go grab food. We are going to get some lunch. It's probably I'm not gonna eat though, because I just had the Panera bread before the tour and he's hungry. He probably gonna get pizza. We have a place that is our favorite pizza to get every weekend, and we are at downtown. So this is one of our favorite pizza place to eat at. It's really good. Yeah, got ice cream. So we got pizza and we're waiting for it right now. And this is the place. It's really nice. It's a pizza place and they have homemade different ice cream. We got our pizza. And we are we are at Sam's and Greg, that's what it's called, and this is the best pizza. And then we are playing Mobile Legend while we're gonna eat. They're getting busy too. Let's see. We are done eating. We had like 3 pieces left over, so now we're gonna head to his mom to fix something at her house. And we're full. It's really nice outside. Nice downtown weather. Going back to the car. It's a really nice day today. And there's the soon-to-be daddy for the second time. we really enjoyed the tour today at the hospital. Did you?
Yep, it was good. Very informative.
Yeah, it's actually a must-have or a must-to-do before your scheduling, or it's nice to know where you're going to deliver your baby. And my husband got emotional. He said, just imagining the baby being here and doing skin to skin. Yeah, it's just a really exciting moment. And the funny thing is, this is probably the first time I felt her kick while I'm walking and standing up. Usually I have to lay down or sit down to feel her kicks. But while we're doing the tour, she's interrupting. Man, she's like kicking, and I feel her foot for the first time. It was an overwhelming feeling. It's funny and exciting, but yeah, she's actually very active now, and I guess she's enjoying the weekend. I don't really diet or eat too healthy in the weekend. I try to splurge and eat something bad. That's probably why she's active. Let's go to Tennessee. So we made it to my mother-in-law's house, and my husband have to trim the drawer door. And then while he's doing that, I am sitting outside enjoying the weather. And here is actually perfect at the front porch because the wind is blowing and she has big trees in the yard, and it makes it perfect to be sitting outside and just relax and enjoy the nature. So every Saturday, it's also our date night, and we try to watch at least one movie until the baby comes.
The next day.
After church, we decided to grab lunch, and we're having Chinese food. I got eggplant, and my husband got kung pao. My lunch date. Hey guys, we are now at Target. We're trying to get this one right here. So we're thinking which one we're gonna get. And then I think we are getting the Ubi diaper trash can with the bag. And we went to the church today, and then we had dinner, so that's our Sunday so far. And we will try to install the crib today, and my husband will have to cut grass, so it's another busy day. We are done at Target. So now we got that check mark for our baby list. So we have a little more to go. And like I mentioned, a lot of stuff that we have left to buy is really a want, not a need. Because obviously a trash can, a regular trash can would work. But this one, we did our research too, and it's supposed to be the best one, cheaper and the best one. So let's go home. So we are in Publix right now. I decided to stay in the car because my leg is freaking tired, you guys. So my husband run real quick inside Publix to grab a couple groceries. And then while we sit in the car waiting, it's really hot today. It's about 90, but it feels like 100 degree. And yeah, it's really hot. I don't know what time my husband is gonna be able to cut grass because it's quite hot today. And the church lady this morning invited us for dinner, I don't think we can go because we're gonna go home, probably take a power nap and install the crib, and then I have to do laundry and my husband have to cut grass, so I feel bad. We told her that we probably won't be able to come because we have so much to do today, but yeah, I feel bad because every time she invite us after church, we're just too busy because we only have Saturday and Sunday to do errands and do our work together with him. So it's kind of both our quality time and doing a lot of trying to be a productive day to do some home stuff like cleaning. But anyway, I can't wait to go home and lay down and rest for a while.
One nap later.
We're outside. He's gonna pee. My husband started doing the grass right here. Hopefully he can finish it. And me and Java we're gonna go for a walk real quick. He's using the electric lawnmower so it's not as loud even though it's Sunday. And the moon already up there. So hopefully he can finish the yard before it gets dark. The important part is really the front. The back he can still cut it even though it's dark because we have a very bright lights outside in the backyard. So we're gonna go for a walk. It's actually better to go for a walk when it's the sun already set. It's perfect. He needs a haircut soon. Hang on. So it's almost 8 o'clock and it's still bright. It's not dark yet. And my husband did the crib after Target. And then you just need to work on the glass cabinet or dresser after he will cut grass. So I still need to do laundry, but I wanted to get my 15 or 30 minutes walk. I'm already out of breath from walking, but I'm heading back home to grab water and then maybe drop off Java, my dog, inside the house, and then I will go another 15 minutes walk just by myself.